Autumn is here, and it's the perfect time to plant white and red onions. But to ensure a bountiful harvest, there's more to the process than just preparing the soil. Onions are prized for their quick germination and growth, but they are not without vulnerabilities. Pests and diseases can threaten the health of your crop, making proper preparation essential. To grow healthy, robust onions, treating the bulbs before planting is a critical step. While onions have the potential to thrive, they are highly susceptible to infections and pest attacks. Without proper disinfection of the planting material, the crop may suffer from poor growth and reduced quality. How can we safeguard our onions and ensure they grow into healthy, high-quality vegetables? Experienced gardeners recommend a simple yet highly effective method: soaking onion bulbs before planting. Here's how to do it. In 1 liter of warm water, dissolve 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda acts as an antiseptic and fungicide, promoting faster germination and better development of onion plants. This treatment helps onions resist common pests and diseases, ensuring healthier and stronger plants. The soaking process should last for about 30 minutes, making sure the water remains warm throughout. This small but impactful step not only protects your crop from infections, but also enhances its quality and storage life. After soaking, the onions are primed for planting. The result? Improved growth, enhanced resistance to diseases, and a longer-lasting harvest that stores well for winter use. By taking the time to prepare your bulbs, you're setting the stage for a successful growing season. Treating onions with baking soda before planting is a game-changer for gardeners. This simple technique ensures healthier plants, greater resistance to pests, and an abundant harvest that can be stored for months. It's a straightforward yet powerful way to elevate your gardening results. Try this method and watch your onions flourish. Share your experience and let us know where you're joining us from in the comments. Don't forget to stay tuned for more gardening tips. Thank you for being part of our community. Happy gardening!